Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. I hope you must be doing well. Today I want to make a detailed video on support and resistance levels. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. I have received several messages for the analysis of other currency pairs as well. So I will try to cover them in a separate video. Specifically today I want to talk about the support and resistance levels in light of Fibonacci and the ABCD pattern. Now let me explain it. What I mean to say is that there are different ways of finding support and resistance levels on any chart you want. Let's say there are according to my strategy, if I say I'm going to take a buy from 61.8, so this 61.8 becomes what? It becomes a support zone for me, right? So with Fibonacci, this 61 becomes a support for me. I will explain more about it because there are a lot of technical things involved. Now, another trader or mentor, let's say, he or she will just randomly mark the levels like this and will say that, okay, the market reverses from here. So it took a bounce back from here. And this time when it was coming back down, the trader or mentor was supposed to take a buy from here, right? I'm not saying this is a wrong way of trading or a wrong way of finding out support and resistance. I'm not sure about other traders, but obviously I have to convey my own message and my own technique that I use since 7 8 years, and since then it brought a lot of wonders in my trading career. So my friends, actually support and resistance levels are very much important concepts, and traders used to analyze price movements, right? But unfortunately these days I see very less traders who follow the exact levels and exact techniques. Even if the traditional way they do, still the traders are not able to find what's going on and how to trade it. So support and resistance, my friends, are levels or price movements which helps the traders in taking trading decisions. Till here it should be clear enough. Now, what actually the support and resistance levels tells us is that they represents what? They represent levels on a price chart. So this is like a chart in front of me. They represent the levels. What does that mean is all of these are like levels, right? And stay with me, I will be analyzing this pair USD ZAR after a very long time. I picked this particular pair so that I can convey my message very well, because I have not analyzed it in a while, so it will be easy for me to explain things, and also I will be able to analyze this USD ZAR pair. So what are levels? Obviously these are levels, right? This is a level, even this is a level, and I'm on the weekly. Just imagine, this is a level, this is a level, this is a level. The more you draw it, the more you confuse yourself. Stay with me, I will be discussing that. So see, like, support and resistance represents levels on a price chart. This is a price chart, and on this price chart what happens is buying and selling occurs. According to the support, this was a buy zone, right? And according to the resistance, this was a sell zone. This was also a sell zone. People took sells right here. 826 pips it was down. But which way we like to trade is obviously the way which the market is moving very, very strongly. So in this session today, I'm deleting everything because these are so many support and resistance levels a trader will not know which level he or she want to trade. So now let's add my own strategy with it. Since I am on the weekly time frame, first thing first, I have to study the chart a little bit. The previous story right here, okay, that ended. This one is completely ended. And now an a reversal. A reversal from which point? Just have a look at it. From a previous resistance level. Why people took sell trades right here? Because my friends, they understand the support resistance strategy or concept. That's why they took sell from here. Otherwise, how will someone know that okay, we should now take a sell trade? No. But these traders who took sells from right here, what they knew was okay, this is a resistance level, this is a price level on a chart from where previously the market started to take some consolidation. So this time if it go back up, we will be looking for several confirmations and it will be down. And it did. And just have a look at it where all of the bears get out of the market. Let me zoom in. Just have a look at it. Exactly at 61.8 and completing this ABCD pattern. See, is it any different? Now in my situation, this is a resistance zone. And why this is a resistance zone is because we have got a previous support. Now let me make it a little bit clear. Maybe complete beginners are watching me right now. Let's say this is price going up, it came down, right? It go back up, it came back down. I'm creating a sort of like a situation right here. It went back up, it came down, went back up, came down. This is a very simple ranging market I have marked. And obviously the levels that I have marked right here, this is a head and shoulder pattern, which I definitely, let me note it down. I will make a video on it. Let me quickly write it down. What is this head and shoulder pattern? So next video is most probably be on head and shoulder pattern, because I have I live stream and I upload videos, so I know that traders have actually problem identifying this. So what I was saying about the support is, once let's say this is a support level, it worked, right? It worked very well. It went up, it was coming back down. This was the buy zone as per the traditional support and resistance strategy. When a support bounces off, when a support is broken to the bottom side, the next time it want to retest it, it will become a resistance. From here it will become a resistance. It did not did that since it is a ranging market. Now when it completed that, Just have a look at the previous zone. See, a resistance level is broken and it became a support. So, support and resistance levels are actually the price points on a chart which help you decide your uh, which help you take trading decisions. Support resistance will never exactly like 100% of the time tells you that which way the market is going, but stay with me, there are certain options which if you apply, like the Fibonacci, the ABCD pattern, along with the RSI divergence. In one video, I may not be able to cover it, so let's see. Maybe this whole week I will be discussing support and resistance, and the next week then the head and shoulder. So I will be taking your question and answers. Maybe on Thursday or Friday we can arrange a question and Q&A session as well. Now about the support, what is usually said is support is a price level as well where there is a demand for the pair. Let's say this resistance was broken. The story of the resistance is gone now, right? It came back down. Now this is the demand zone for it as well, right? This is the demand zone, or we can say this is a support zone. Both ways it's good. And let me tell you another thing, that is the breakout. I have a video on breakout as well, but if that's too detailed, I definitely will be making a new video about it. So another, like the support came back down and is going back up. So this is like the support with us. How it became a support? The previous level was broken. See, the previous level was broken. Market came back down, took a nice retest and continue backing up, even breaking this tiny resistance as well right here. So then those traders who are, let's say, on sell right here and they lose this trade, they must be saying, oh, support and resistance doesn't work. My friend, it works. Why it doesn't work? But in every strategy, you have to give some of your profits. Let's say you generated 1500 pips from a simple support resistance strategy. If a one trade gives you 300 or 400 loss out of it, so it's okay, your profit will become to 1100 pips. That's not a big deal, okay? And this is Forex. So obviously when the support and resistance levels are involved, you will need for several things. The first one is confirmation. Like support and resistance levels are not guaranteed to hold. Here is the result in front of you. Is it guaranteed? No, not at all. So what a trader can do in such situation? A trader can find for evidences or confirmations through additional technical analysis tools. For example, it can be a candlestick pattern, right? Since this is a weekly, let's switch to the daily and find out. Candlestick patterns that can exactly tell you that, okay, the market is now pushing up. Have a look at this, 61.8. Now you must be saying, where is the candlestick pattern? Just have a look at it right here. Price started to slow down. This is a candlestick pattern. This was tradable. This is tradable. Just have a look at it. Very nice. I'm kind of like, I get surprised when I see that the traders took very bad decision trading the support and resistance levels. Why? So a confirmation can be like a candlestick pattern. It can be a trend line. It can be indicators like the RSI right here I have. And these all of the things, all at once together, I apply them in my analysis. So it can be trend lines, it can be indicators like the RSI, and it will help you trading decisions. Now, when a support level is broken, let's say, so like we say role reversal, support level or resistance level, let's say if it breaks, this place is going to become a support for the future. Why? We have got a nice resistance right here. Now it may turn into a new support right here. And this is called like the role reversal. When one level is broken, price comes back down, and if it respect the level, this is the role reversal. You take a buy. And there are several examples. See this one. See this one. A lot of them. Now I will be analyzing USD ZAR with this same support and resistance with some top down approach as well. But let me discuss these three further points with you. Multiple time frames. Let's discuss confirmation and role reversal first, okay? And then the other three I will discuss them in today's same session. So let's delete everything and let's get back to the original stuff, which is my obviously my strategy. So on the weekly chart, now I'm in like analyzing phase. Technical analysis is going to form. We have got a support. How do we know? Very simple. Just have a look at it. No rocket science at all. See, where was this trend confirmed that okay, it's now bearish? Right here. Why? Why? Because why? Think about it, my friends. At this particular stage, you must be thinking that okay, if we get in a bearish market, if we get an ABCD pattern, we are going to become bullish on the market. This is like an early sign. So now the confirmation right here, a broken level, a confirmation. This is the traditional way, my friends, I'm waiting for. If you just like you got a breakout from here and you put a pending order right here without a confirmation, you must be totally in loss. Why? Because you completely ignored the confirmation phase. Let me write it down right here so it will be easy. Confirmation, right? Where is the confirmation? No. Here is no confirmation, no candlestick pattern, nothing. But definitely, if you are, or just like me, if you are a Fibonacci trader, you will say, hey, leave this confirmation, let's wait near 61.8. Here we have got a nice confirmation right here. See, price coming down nicely, and suddenly tried to stop and boom. We got this close and the market continues straight up. So the confirmation. Now the role reversal, I should say. Where is the role reversal? Let me show you that as well. Role reversal. Role reversal is when a level is once broken and retested by the price. Just like have a look at it. One was this one. We got no confirmation, so we did not trade it. We got confirmation, so we traded it. We got a breakout, a comeback down to the previous zone, and a rejection. This is role reversal, and the market continue back up. So these are the two main important concepts, my friends. Remember, confirmation, role reversal. Now let's get back to the analysis. So a support zone marked, I will be quickly doing it so that I don't make you bore. See, this is bigger ABCD pattern, even the completion right here, even the break above, even the retest. So at the moment, this is what it's showing, and seems like we have got a break of structure, not exactly confirmed. Now, I have a resistance above which the price closed above. Tomorrow I will be waiting for confirmation, right? Confirmation plus role reversal. Because this level is broken, we need for it to retest and then a confirmation and then a continuation. So I will be studying it, right? This is one impulsive wave and this is it, this is it. So much confusing it is at the moment. Well, most probably if I talk about the USD ZAR, I may be staying neutral or I will be waiting to take a buy trade. But buy trade not right here, my friends. No, not at all. I will be taking a buy near this zone. So now this is not a role reversal area for me. A role reversal area for me will be this. Why? We have got a major break of structure at this point. See, major. This, if it goes straight up, then obviously this will be a role reversal. But since I have no further data, I'm not sure if it's going to continue up or not. It will, but let's see, who knows, it can get a bit of, this one is complete as well. It can become a role reversal, but I will not be interested in it. Not a buy right here. I will take a buy near 18.42833. This is the role reversal and I will be waiting for a confirmation. Now, till here you must be clear enough. 3 further points left and then I will wind up the session. Now it says multiple time frames. My strategy suggests do it on multiple time frames. Support and resistance levels are more significant when they are observed across multiple time frames. What does that mean? Let me show you that as well. Since now from the daily time frame I knew that okay, this is this level and this is this level. Let's see that on the, like, we can say top down approach as well. Next video, in the upcoming week I will be discussing head and shoulder pattern. Then the week after that I will be discussing what? I will be discussing this concept, the one that I just have told you. So multiple time frames, okay. On the H4 I have to study that what's going on, which level was broken. Nice resistance, nice resistance. See, good trades it gave, good trades it gave. It went back up. But this place, why I'm suggesting it is for a buy for myself is Because at this place we have like this resistance level, we have not got even a retest of it. So role reversal along with confirmation will be involved right here. And one thing I want to tell you is that a level that is very strong on a daily time frame is considered to be more reliable than one observed on a lower time frame, hourly or 15-minute, because they break very easily. Right now on the H4, obviously I can find some other levels, but this one will be the top. And the fourth thing is to analyze the volume. At that time you have to look for the volume. Volume is simply the strength or the speed at which the candle moves. There are several volume indicators out there, but no one is accurate. The accurate one is the one that is moving on your chart, the candlestick. This is the best volume indicator. And volume tell, let's say if the price comes back down here, what will the volume tell you? We have now three. Let's say we have seen this on a daily time frame, top down approach. I know this is a very strong level. Second, when the price comes back down, I will be looking for uh, like the second is role reversal. I already know that this is a role reversal area. And the third one, I will be looking for a confirmation right here. This is the H4. And when at the time I'm going to take an entry, I may be looking at the H1, M30, M15 levels as well for some extra confirmation to like I want to be my trade to be a very accurate and a very nice one. Then the M15, even I can go to M1. Let's say I'm have a risk of 20 pips and I want to generate 200 pips, then I have to go till M1. And this is possible, my friends, during the live streams you are watching me doing all of this stuff on this strategy. And obviously these are dynamic levels, so one level if it breaks, when one level breaks, uh, sometimes it is retested, sometimes it is left alone, but in the future that will be going to become a strong support. And let me find you an example of such thing. Let's see, this is broken. Yes, have a look at it. This level resistance, price comes near here, people took sell trades, we got a breakout, we got another sell. I'm not interested in this. We got okay, the market was continuing. It came back down, took a nice 61.8 and boom, the rally. More than 20,000 pips of move it is on the USD ZAR. This is an exotic pair, by the way. So these are dynamic levels. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it may not work. But if you follow the Fibonacci with the ABCD, I am sure 80 up to 99% of the time it will be working. And I can show you, right? I can show you. You just go through my live stream. 6 hours it is. You can skip in between. But just watch me live doing these things. So this is the support and resistance concepts. I hope you must have learned something new. I will advise you to learn it because without it you may not be able to understand my strategy very well. In the upcoming week I will be discussing completely the support and resistance because this is the backbone of the forex trading. If you want to become a forex trader, you have to understand support and resistance levels. You can do it the traditional way, you can do it the like my way, the Fibonacci way, the ABCD way, the successful way, the professional way. So it was a little video on the support and resistance. I hope you will learn something new from it. If you have any questions, leave your question in the comment section. Also, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.